Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Guide. Today, we're going on a little vacation. Not in real life, but in English. Our topic is IELTS Speaking Part 1, Travel and Holidays. With me is our lovely student, Rina. How are you today, Rina?
I'm great, teacher. Honestly, I already feel like I'm on holiday just hearing that word.
That's the spirit. All right, let's start with some real IELTS Part 1 questions. Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling. It helps me relax and learn about new cultures. I think it's the best way to refresh my mind.
Nice answer. What kind of places do you like to visit?
I prefer natural places, beaches, mountains, and countryside areas. I'm not a big fan of crowded cities.
Good choice. What was your favorite holiday?
Last year, I went to Cox's Bazaar with my family. We played on the beach, ate seafood, and took so many photos.
Sounds like a dream trip. Just don't tell me you forgot sunscreen.
I did. My face looked like a tomato for 3 days.
Okay, if you're enjoying this conversation, pause for a second. Hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell. That's how you can join our growing IELTS family here on Mr. English Guide. All right, let's talk about your answers. They were really good, but let's make them more Band 8 level. For example, instead of saying, I love traveling, you can say, I'm passionate about traveling because it broadens my perspective and helps me unwind. And instead of, I like natural places, you can say, I'm particularly drawn to nature because it gives me peace and helps me disconnect from technology.
Wow, that sounds much more advanced and natural.
Exactly. Use emotional expressions and personal experience. IELTS examiners love that. All right, try again. Tell me about your favorite holiday using better vocabulary.
My favorite holiday was last summer when I visited Cox's Bazaar. I was mesmerized by the sound of the waves and the beauty of the sunset. It was a perfect escape from my busy life.
Beautifully said. That's a Band 8 answer. Natural, emotional, and fluent. That's all for today's IELTS speaking practice, friends. Remember, travel not only expands your world, but also your English vocabulary. If you enjoyed today's episode, like, comment, and subscribe to Mr. English Guide. See you next week for our next episode, IELTS Speaking Part 2, Describe a Memorable Journey.
Airplane.